My name is Chris Reale. I'm the owner and operator of Roy Pope here in Fort Worth. We took over this last year, oldest gourmet grocery here in Fort Worth. What we're doing is just putting a breath of fresh air into it, giving it the love that it needs. We're expanding some of the offerings in the deli items and consolidating some of the gourmet grocery items, but really just keeping Roy Pope is what we're doing. So whether it's me creating food or creating a culture or feeling behind what we're doing, that's what really drives me to do what I do, is the creative aspect behind it. My favorite Old Gringo boot is the Ranger Earl. I like these because they're super comfortable, easy to throw on. I use them when I'm working in the shop. I use them when I'm going on a bike ride, and I like to use them in the kitchen. I've got a handful of hobbies: music and then motorcycles. I've always been a gearhead, come from a family full of mechanics, so anytime I can get out, hop on the motorcycle and go for a ride, that's what I like to do.